Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explain how to convert miles to meters. This conversion can be essential for various applications, whether you're involved in athletics, scientific research, or simply need to work with metric measurements. Let's begin with the basics. A mile, often abbreviated as MI, is a unit of distance commonly used in the United States and a few other countries. A meter, represented as M, is the standard unit of distance in the metric system, used worldwide. Now, here's the key part. 1 mile is equal to approximately 1,609.34 meters. To convert miles to meters, all you need to do is multiply the number of miles by 1,609.34. For example, if you're a runner and you've completed a 5-mile race, you can find out how many meters you ran by multiplying 5 miles by 1,609.34. That's a total of about 8,046.72 meters. Let's consider another scenario. If you're a scientist studying geological formations and need to measure a 10-mile stretch, converting it to meters is easy. Just multiply 10 miles by 1,609.34 to get approximately 16,093.44 meters. And there you have it. Converting miles to meters is a straightforward process. Remember that 1 mile equals approximately 1,609.34 meters. With a bit of practice, you'll become proficient at making this conversion, allowing you to work with metric measurements more easily. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. For more informative conversion guides and math tips, be sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.